welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter now about one woman way one video wey use the trade now. The woman saying no Captain Osa before for school. The woman a Yoruba woman, she dey do live video saying no Captain Osa for long time ago, you know. So she talked so many things about Captain Osa. Now so the man fair do this one, and so you not fair do this one. I know the late Captain Osa now they talk about so. Why it be say if person don't die, now people you can't see person we saying no her before. You can't talk bad of her. You can't talk different things. Me I don't understand woman. This man don't die. Wanna let her rest in peace now. Not be now. You can't talk with you feel know about time. I tell the womanize. I tell they do this one. I beg. What it don't happen? It don't happen. Not be now. You can't they bring all those kind talk come out again. It already die. You understand? Now just for your soul to rest in peace. Now we supposed to the year now not be you can't talk with it don't fair do before. I beg. For me, this one not make sense again at all. I go put the video more and say my darling people. This one not make sense now. How can somebody do that? Now one can they talk bad of him. They talk with it don't fair do before. Now so he fed the womanize. Now so he give this one belly. Now so you not give this one belly. Me I don't understand when my darling people. Now wow. I'll put the video now more and see Ansha. More and see what the woman can they talk. Thank you. Bye.
But I know it's called Captain Osa. Now, this particular man, unfortunately, died at the age of 63. At the time people know him, when you want to say Edo State con, Captain Osa Koni, as in those are stakeholders of Edo State. When we were growing up, they were shaking the town. As in, they were shaking the town. When they say shaking town, they used to date babes. In fact, when I was in the university, that was when he was reigning. But I have never seen him before. Me personally, I have never seen him before. But I hear about him a lot from all these Bini babes. Now, this particular guy, man, I was shocked when I saw that he died lately. What killed this man? What killed this man? Because the man has money. As far as we know, we dey hear, he has money. Cool cash. He has money. I don't know his source of. Anasa, my darling, how are you, sweetie? How was your birthday? I hope it all went well. You're welcome on board. Thank you. Help me call your people. Come and learn. Anasa, something has happened. Something has happened. Help me call your people on board. So, this man, this money so shake everywhere. Maybe say girls, they follow him a lot. Now, he was married to one woman by the name Evelyn Okubo. You see, this story I'm telling you people is not fake. It's true life story. In fact, this Evelyn gave birth to all, you know, if you see his children, in fact, this child that is oil, gas and everything, this woman is the mother of all those children. Then she has a cousin. Her name is Nosa. Her name is Nosa. In fact, Nosa was living with her. Nosa was living with her. I will show you all these people I'm mentioning so that you will learn that life, you have to be very careful. This is the man called Captain Osa, the rich man. This is the man called Captain Osa. When he was well and when he fell sick. Can you see? This man has money, oh. I am not talking about money that they can change, oh. I am talking about money that is agbano. Yoruba people call it agbano. I don't know what Oyibo people call it, oh. Cannot enter. Except God takes that money. This is a man that has good money. But when it was time for God to take him home, the man had pancreas cancer. And you know pancreas cancer, that was exactly what killed the owner of, what's this, Apple, this phone we are all using, Apple. The CEO of Apple. It was time for him to go home. But what I learned about his life, and I'm sure angels will be asking him now, is that he had a wife. The wife. Wait, I'm coming. This is the wife. Evelyn. This is the wife. Can you see her? Can you see him? Evelyn, the wife. They were together. They went through it all together. And did you people remember me saying that there's a cousin of Evelyn that was living with them? That is the Nosa. That's the cousin that was living with them. Cousins. They are cousins. Because sometimes you wonder, you see, when you see people that in this world we are, people worship money. In this world that we are, people serve money. When you have money, there's nothing you cannot do. In fact, I have stopped to respect human being because anybody can sell you for money. This lady, Nosa, is this woman's cousin. She was living in their house. In fact, this lady, Nosa, was dating this Captain Osa's friend that time. This lady. She was dating this Captain Osa's friend that time when she was living with them. This Captain Osa and Evelyn used to be the one that would be putting out so that, because when Nosa has problem with Captain Osa's friend, I've forgotten his name now. It will be this man, this Captain Osa, and the wife, Evelyn. I will show you Evelyn again. That will be settling the matter. Nai cousin decide, con the friend in cousin husband. She now started friending, started having relationship with her cousin's husband. I can't dey wonder. In fact, I was in Ekpom at that time when this relationship started. I was in because I know this lady's younger sister. Her name is Ebua. This Nosa has a younger sister called Ebua. Even there was another lady, Angela, was very close to Ebua. All of them, I know them. Nosa was staying in that house. In fact, there was a time that, everybody was asking her that, oh, why are you dating your family's husband? Why? Why can't you look for your own elsewhere? That time, she very pretty girl on ground. Very pretty. Nosa pretty. In fact, this woman too, Evelyn, is pretty. Until life can't change for her. You understand? She wasn't fine anymore. But she not come fine. But she was pretty when she was still with Captain Osa. Now, this is Nosa. This is the Evelyn and Captain Nosa. This is Evelyn and Captain Nosa. Osa. I say Nosa, sorry. Is Nosa. This is Nosa. You know, when the man spend money on her very well. Look at her. She was living in their house. She was living in their house. Look, I went to university with Ebua, the blood sister of Nosa. So, in fact, if they show my video to Nosa, she has been to my house before. But I'm not close to her. It's my friend that is close to them. They used to move with Nekpe, them, all those sets in Nekpe. I've forgotten their names now. Angela, all of them. So, I didn't even know that she's the one that is married to Captain Osa. I didn't know. Because she didn't go to my Ekpoma. It was the younger sister that went to Ekpoma. So I didn't know until when the man died. And they now told me, somebody was now asking me that, don't I know the Captain Osa? And I say, Captain